Hi, welcome everybody. This is a tutorial on quilt binding. So this is double fold French binding, and this is what I use to finish my the berry sampler quilt. So I've got a couple of strips that I've cut. So these are 2.5 inch strips by the width of the fabric. So whatever way you play it, when you actually make quilt binding, you're going to have to put a join in to actually get all the way around the perimeter of a big quilt. When you come to the corner, you're going to need to fold it like it's folded at the front. So you're going to fold it, it seems to fall that way quite readily, and then just, so can you see there's the front and there's the back, so it's almost an identical fold on the other side.